Washington Henry Statesman, welcome back to the library. Gosh, it has been so busy here the last couple of weeks because we've had the book fair and we've had new orders of books coming in, and I know you've seen the piece of paper. We are getting ready for an author visit coming up very, very soon. I'm so excited that Ben Hatke is going to be here. So we've had all these books come in the library. I haven't been able to tell you about them lately. So get ready. I want to show you what we have new that's going to be available for you to check out. We're going to start with some nonfiction. This book is awesome. It's the new National Geographic Almanac for 2025. You know, if it's National Geographic, then the photos, illustrations are going to be amazing in this book. So let me open that up so you can see. You guys know it's full of tons of fun facts, crazy information about different things all around the world. So this is going to be a really fun one to check out. The next thing I want to show you is that we have the Star Wars Visual Dictionary. So I have a feeling this is going to fly off the shelf over and over again. You can see all the information, the different Lego things that are being built. Very, very cool. So I know you will love checking this out. Let's go ahead. We've got a new Gordon Korman chapter book. I have not read it yet, but it's gotten really good reviews. Miss Letourneau was telling me that it's called Slugfest. It's about if you fail middle school PE and you have to retake it during the summer. And Gordon Korman is an awesome author, so I can only imagine that this is going to be a hilarious book. So enjoy checking this out. We also have a new Who Is book. Who is Lin-Manuel Miranda, one of my favorite musicians. He is phenomenal, and I'm going to start singing all the Hamilton songs in my head right now. We've got a couple. Oh, I know what I was going to tell you about these two new books. All right, both by the same author. We've got Pie in the Sky, and we have Fly on the Wall. These are written, when I was looking at them, it reminds me a little bit of Diary of a Wimpy Kid when you look at the text, because there's illustrations that go along with the text on the pages, and I just think they're going to be really, really fun for you to read. So check these out, Pie in the Sky and Fly on the Wall. They look really, really good. All right, let's keep going. We've got a new picture book, and I think that teachers, you might really enjoy sharing this with your class too. It's called Lunch Every Day. It's a story about a boy at school who it's told from the perspective of a bully at school. The story is about a boy who's not very kind, and he takes lunch from other people. And as the story goes on, he's invited to the birthday party of the boy who he steals lunch from all the time. And we learn a little bit more about the main character, the bully, and possibly why that bully is acting the way that he is. So it's teachers, this might be a really good read aloud to share with your class. It's a really good story. So this is called Lunch Every Day. This will be available. And now I know you are waiting to see all the new graphic novels that we're adding to our collection in the library. This is called Ghost Book. It is the same author. The author's name is Remy, I think it's Remy Lai. I'm not 100% sure if that's how you pronounce it, but Remy Lai also wrote these two new chapter books that we're adding to the collection. But the graphic novel is called Ghost Book, and it looks fabulous. The pictures look great. The story looks really good. I know this is going to get checked out a ton. We have the new Kayla Miller graphic novel called Break. We have the latest, let's see, this is number 5 in Cupcake Diaries that just came out. We have number 7 in the Pizza and Taco series called Wrestling Mania. It is adorable. This is going to be really fun and cute to read. We've got the graphic novel adaptation of The Secret Garden. So I don't know if any of you have read the chapter book, The Secret Garden, but it's a really great story. I remember reading it when I was a little girl. So anyway, I'm glad it's a graphic novel now. And then finally, we have not 1, not 2, not 3. We have 4 new Sonic the Hedgehog graphic novels to add to our collection. So I know I have a ton of Sonic fans out there in Washington Henry that are going to love these books. So come to see us in the library. Check out these books. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can hear about all the new books in the library anytime you want. I can't wait to see you here to check out some of these new books soon.